Good morning, children. Let's continue with exercise 7.2. Question number 9. Arrange which are greater than 1 by 4 and which numbers are less than 1 by 4. Now, these are all the numbers we have to identify. Among these numbers, which of them are greater than 1 by 4 and which are less than 1 by 4. Now these all are written in decimal form. So let's convert 1 by 4 also in decimal form. So let's divide these numbers. 4 is here outside and 1 is inside. Now as we know 1 is not divisible by 4. So we have to put a decimal here and 0. So first we have to begin with this decimal, and when we are putting this decimal, 0 will come here. So it will become 10. Now let's divide 4 2s are 8. On subtraction it is 2. Now one more 0 we will take. 4 5s are 20. Now in decimal form the answer is 0.25, or it can be written as 0.250. Now we have to identify all those numbers which are greater than this number. So we have to check their tens digit. Tens place, here it is 2. Now here also it is 2. But the next one is 5 and here it is 1. So this is not greater than 0.25. Now the next one, check the tens digit. Here it is 0.3. So 3, yes, of course this is greater. Next one, here also 0.2. But after that it is 4. And here it is 5. So this is also not greater. This is tens digit, it is 5, so yes, it is greater. Here also 5, this is also greater. 4 tens digit, so it is greater. 3, yes, this is also greater. 6 and then this 3, they are at tens place, so these are also greater. And the numbers which are smaller than 1 by 4 are, the remaining numbers will come. 0.21, 0.24, 0.18, 0.2 and 0.09. So this is how to find out the numbers greater than 1 by 4 and less than 1 by 4. Coming to 11th question, convert into common fractions. First one, 0.2. Now first of all we have to write it in fractional form. How to write? By removing decimal. Now after the decimal only one digit is there, so we have to put 10 in the denominator. Now let's reduce these numbers. They are divisible by 2. So 2 1s are and 2 5s are. Similarly, next one, part D, 1.096. Here number of decimal places are 3. So for removing this decimal we have to put 3 zeros in the denominator. Now divide them by 8. They are divisible by 8. So 8 how many times? 137 times. And 8 in 1000, it is 125 times. Coming to next, 21.40. Again let's remove this decimal. How many decimal places? 2 decimal places are there. So we have to write 100 in the denominator. Now let's reduce the numbers by 10. So result is 214 and 10. Again they are divisible by 2. So here let's divide. 2 1s are and then 2 digits we are taking together. So 0 and 2 7s are. Down to 5s are. Next one, 12.080, removing decimal, so 1000 will come down because there are 3 decimal places. Now first reduce it by 10, so it will be 1208 upon 100. Now they both are divisible by 4, so let's divide. Answer will be 302 upon 25. Coming to 12th question, part A, 3 by 4. We have to convert it in decimals. So here 4 will be here outside and 3 is inside. As we know 3 is not directly divisible, so we have to put 0. For that we have to start with decimal. Now 4 7s are 28 Remainder is 2. We have to take a 0. 4 5s are 20. Remainder is 0. So answer is 0.75. Next one, first change it in improper fraction. So 5 into 2, 10, plus 3, 13 by 5. Now let's do division. 5 outside and 13 inside. Now 5 2s are 10. 3 is the remainder. Now 3 is not divisible. So we have to put decimal and a 0 here. Now 5 6s are 30. Remainder is 0. So answer is 2.6.